Hi, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And we're going to open another
One Piece.
OP12. So this is our
Third time.
This is our 15th, 25th cards. So we opened 10 first time sa SM. Then again, we opened 10 here
But
at
we
the
got
office.
nothing.
And now we're going to open 5 more. So on our first time, we got Peach. The SP
Yeah.
09-093.
65,000 off the bat right there.
Then second time na we opened 10, we got
Wala.
nothing.
Just
So we bought another 5 to open and see what's going to happen. So dahil ako bumili sa dalawa, tatlo sa akin. Alright.
me first.
Kaya ako na maggunting kasi yung naggunting tayo, wala tayong nakuha eh. So, ayun.
But
Oh!
when...
Oh!
Oh.
Oh! Wait! Oh!
Ah! You got a hit there?
I got a hit. Wait, I got a hit. Wait. Ikaw muna. wait. Sige. I think we got a hit. So, okay. Crocodile. Sino to? Di ko kilala. Paano ba to? Hindi. Ayaw mag-focus. So, Buggy. Kid Buggy. Okay, last card. See? Oh! Yeah! Ay! Wah! Oh, okay. It's a hit. It's still a hit.
Super
SR.
rare.
Super rare. It's still a hit.
Wait!
So, it's better. It's better
Wait,
now.
when we use the scissors, we got bad luck.
Yeah.
Now when we open manually, we got
I
here.
won't use any scissor.
And also, when we open Mega Mall, we got 65.
Yeah.
So here, hey, it's the Bharati where Sanji was from.
Siyempre, kailangan natin ng sleeves.
Oh, cool one. Black
Oh.
dude.
Wait.
Black dude.
Oh, hindi pala pwede to.
Look, Daddy.
Pang One Piece. Pang ano to? Pang Yu-Gi-Oh!
Marine dude. Random marine dude.
Pang
See
Yu-Gi-Oh!
this?
nga.
Another fat guy. Woman. And oh, hey! It looks like a super rare, but it's not.
Ano siya? Rare lang?
Yeah.
It's still okay.
Look, the fire looks so cool. Plus it's Sabo. Look,
It's okay.
it's kind of cool.
Wait lang po. Huwag ba't ang dumi ng mukha mo?
Aubrey, we're doing a video. You want
Hey,
us to get millions of
Ito
views?
yung kay Andre. Okay, next.
What do you
pack.
mean kay Andre?
Kay Andre. Ito yung ano.
So put it here. It looks kind of rare.
Wait!
Aubrey, get out! Get out!
No, okay. Siguro yun lang.
I'm gonna-
Wait. I think I got another hit. Ayaw ko lang maggunting. Yun ang ginunting natin. Walang nakuha eh. Okay. Okay, this dude. Ang dami na natin ito. Okay. Zoro. We have this. Second na natin. Okay, last. Ready. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Oh! It's a secret rare again. Hey! I had two of this.
I think I just got a rare one.
Why? What did you say? Why ano?
I saw our in the last card.
Okay.
Hey, we got Blackbeard though. We got Blackbeard.
Ay, kung...
I hope it's something cool. Wano, random dude from Wano, I think. Why is this common? It's like cartoon. It became cartoon. Should be uncommon. Bharati again. And this guy again.
Aubrey.
And I already said it.
Okay, it's okay. It's still... Oh, wait lang.
And this
Wait
we
lang,
got
wait
this
lang.
one.
Okay, last pack magic. Show us the money. Okay.
I want to be the one.
Okay, it's a regular. Okay, wala lang to.
So could I be the one to open it if it's a regular rare?
It's
please?
okay. Ako pa rin.
Please. You only open the rare one, okay?
Oh.
You only open the rare one.
So...
Hey! Red hair sink! Red hair sink!
Kid Shank.
Kid Shane. How is this only common?
Wait lang, wait lang.
Bunny? Whatever. It looks like a mouse in a face or cat. Nico Robin! Nico Robin!
Wala tayong nakuha ng ano, sayang.
Hey, it's... hey, look! It's... Look! There's Shoro. Kid Shoro.
Okay. Okay. Tama na ba?
And...
Tama na.
The other one.
Aquino? Ano?
The-
And then,
Aquino is the red magma
the red,
boy.
okay. It's okay. It's still a rare one. So,
I think this is the most rarest rare we got.
this is the hits. It's still okay, out of 5. Alright, we just open again. One Piece OP12. This is our 25th pack. And we got more. But, ano namin yung next time. Ready. Oh, babay na tayo. Hi, Michael.
Andres.
See you next time. Bye! Ah,